So how do you prepare for an examination within just a few days? Sometimes we wish we have more days to prepare. Sometimes we just have few days or even few hours to prepare for an important exam. It could be your last semester exam in school. It could be your O-level exam. It could be just any exam. It could be a classroom exam. So in this video, I'm going to just share with you few secrets. Some people don't know their exam preparation secrets. There are just few secrets you can use to write and prepare for an examination within 7 days. Even if you have more than 7 days or less than 7 days, just pay attention to this video. I will make it as short as possible for you. Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end there's another video I will recommend to you that will really help you. Okay? So you have 7 days to prepare. The first thing to do is to organize your study space. This 7 days is you must concentrate. This 7 days is not the one you use and play around. Remember, you have an important exam to prepare for. It could be WAEC, NECO, it could be A-level exam, O-level exam, final year exam in the university or polytechnic. It could be any exam. It could be classroom exam. It could be mock exam for JAMB, any exam. So organize the space you will be using to write the exam, to study for the exam. It could be in your house. It could be in the school. The whole point is find a space that you organize. Make sure that the table, if you are using a study table, there is lighting. Ensure that the tables, the seats on the books, the textbooks, the dictionaries, the calculators, everything is well arranged. Let everything have its space. It helps your mental focus. It helps you to focus on what you are studying. But if you come to a table where books are scattered, where calculators are scattered, where you even have your makeup, your laptop, everything is just scattered, you won't be able to focus. So first things first, get to that place, study space you will be using to study. Organize it. If it's a room, sweep the room, just arrange everything. It helps you mentally. Remember, you have just few days, few hours before the exam. Okay? So if your space has now been organized, the next step I recommend is simple one. Stay away from distractions. These 7 days or these remaining days before the exam, stay away from any distraction. The popular distraction you have at your age is your phone. So stay away from your phone. You might use your phone, but ensure that you off every notification, like notification from all the social media platforms. Just minimize, reduce your screen time to the barest minimum. Anybody that will send you a chat, group message, just put it on a pause. Off, mute your notification so that you can focus anytime you want to study. Leave phone, leave television, anything that will make you to be distracted. Let's focus on what? Studying. Okay, remember we just have a few days. Okay? No, so if you have any distraction that you don't know how to overcome, just come to this video, to the end of this video, to the comment section, and point it out for me. Point out those things that could make you not could be distracted. If it's work or anything, just let me know. Before we get to this point, let me just share with you some other points. So I need you to follow a study timetable. Okay, you know the number of days you have before the exam. You know the number of subjects you'll be writing. So if it's like JAMB, for instance, you have 4 subjects. If it's WAEC, you have 9 subjects. If it is your final year exam, you have the number of subjects. So come to a timetable like this. This is an example because this is a JAMB example. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You could also add Saturday or maybe Sunday, depending on the urgency of the exam. So create a suitable timetable. If you don't know how to do it, feel free to comment on this video and say you don't know how to do it. Let me know, but you must have subscribed. So first of all, let me know. If you don't have a timetable and you don't know how to do it, let me know so that I can guide you. Okay? If you now have a timetable, the next material I need you to get for yourself, which we'll all be using for the study, is study materials like past question. Remember, you are not just studying just to know. It's not just for knowledge. It is to enter the exam hall, write and make your A, so that you don't repeat or you don't fail. So get past questions. If you want me to send past questions for you, just also let me know. Tell me the exam you will be writing, whether if it is something that an exam that the time that the past questions are available, I will make it available for you free of charge. Okay? So get your timetable. So these are all. By now, I want you to do something for me. Watch this video from beginning to the end. Very important. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. This is the right time for you to also like this video so that more people can also watch it. Okay? So I've told you to create a timetable. The next thing is for you to use simple memorization techniques. There are simple techniques you can use to memorize when you are reading. Remember, the goal is you have few days and you have an exam coming. You will want to remember everything you read letter, but then our goal is for you to memorize so that you'll be able to pass when you enter the exam hall. Number one, as you read, underline points and definitions. Important points and definitions. Important points and definitions. Remember, before now, you should already have your syllables. Syllables is those topics that you're expecting the questions to come from. People call it area of concentration. So from, if it is JAMB or WAEC or NECO, there is always a syllable. So you can get it. If you don't know how to get it, let me know. I'll send it for you free of charge once you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And come under this video and tell me to send it to you. I'll send it to you. But then, in your classroom exam, you know the topics that were taught in the particular subject. So, as you focus on them, you can also ask your lecturer or your teacher, your class rep, to let you know the area of concentration. If you have, as you read those topics, begin to underline the points. Underline what? The points and definitions. There could be important definitions, you underline them. Jot down points. You should have a jotter. Jot down important points. Then you should also use short forms like abbreviations, short form that could help you to remember. For instance, if you want to remember the names of the 9 planets, you could have short forms with the beginning of the each letter. You know, something like that, using mnemonics. Use repetition method. When you read something, you don't get it, you keep repeating it to yourself. Keep doing what? Repeating it to yourself. You can close your eyes sometimes and repeat it to yourself. Those short forms, those definitions, those calculations, those formulas, jot them down, then keep repeating it to yourself. Keep repeating it to yourself. Keep repeating it to yourself. You jot down important points, you underline the definition, then you close your eyes, repeat it. You could walk around, pace around your room and keep repeating those things to yourself. If you want to join our study group, comment that you want to join so that I could also add you. Okay, I hope you are following. So as you read, don't just read to rush. We are reading to pass. So repeat to yourself, jot down important points, use repetition method, use short forms. Repetition method also solving something over and over again. If it is calculation, solve it over and over and over again. Remember to also study alongside with your past question. Okay? Now, another important point is, in each of the topics you study, you could guess questions that could come out from such topic. Okay, you are studying a topic, let's say it's economics, and you're studying demand and supply. You could know, maybe they'll ask you define demand or define supply or relationship between demand and supply. So in your head, for each topic you study, just guess, write down the questions you feel that your lecturer or your teacher or the examining body could ask from that particular topic in that subject. Ask questions. So ask yourself questions. Ask questions. Look at the past question and look at the questions from it. Ask questions. Those that have taken this examination before, ask them. Ask me. Come under the comment section. If there's anything you study you don't understand, come under the comment section. Ask me. Tell me you don't understand. I will be here to explain to you. Okay, pray and also be confident. Prayer works. If you believe in prayer, believe in God, ask Him to help you. Then be confident. Trust in yourself. Don't panic. Believe in yourself. Don't panic. As you apply these techniques I'm giving you, don't be afraid. Don't panic. Just do your thing or study. Follow avoid distractions. Clear your space. Make out time. Could off your phone, off your laptop, except if you are using them for studying. Okay. Another thing is, a powerful secret is learn and teach. As you read, teach others. It will help you to memorize. Right? You read something, find somebody you can teach. That particular thing you learned, you have read something, point it out to somebody. As you are helping another person to understand that thing that you are trying to learn, you are embedding it into your mind. So you could teach, even if you don't have a physical friend, you can teach. Teach that your table, teach your phone, teach the fan. Just teach an imaginary somebody. Find time and teach them. See yourself in a study group where you are sharing with them. Be the teacher. Repeat those things you have studied to them. You will be surprised at how fast you will memorize those things. Okay? Another thing is, when you study, take a break. I recommend after 30 minutes, walk around, take a break, stretch yourself. Not a long break. I don't recommend reading for 7 hours straight. No. You study for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Take a break, stretch yourself, walk around, pace around, taking fresh air, sunlight, then come back to read. Very important. So study small, take a break, solve a question, solve a past question, finish a topic, then take a break. It's very important. It clears your head, So in this course that you are preparing, don't stop eating. Eat healthy food, eat well, sleep well, make out time and take a nap. You could study for 2 hours, take a nap, wake up, take a nap of 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Then you can even shower, drink water, just take care of your health, so that the fact that you are preparing for the exam doesn't mean you fall sick or look lean. So take care of yourself, look healthy, eat well, eat fruit, sleep, take a nap, then also keep reading. Then if you do these things that we have mentioned, you will pass. At the end of the exam, you will gather with your friends when you see your result and smile like this. My colleagues are smiling. So I wish you all the best in your exam. If there's anything you do not get in this particular video, feel free to go back, watch this video slowly. At the end of this video, you will see another video I recommend that could help you. Go to our channel, look at other videos that we've done for you and watch them. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any question, let me know. Share this video. Just click on share, copy the link and post around for your friends so that they could also watch and benefit. I wish you all the best in your examination.